How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here in Manhattan Beach, California, at the site of the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden. So this is their brand new facility here. It's going to house tools, information board, things like that for the volunteers here and for the members as well. Where I'm standing is going to be an above ground rainwater harvesting unit. This is the future of it. So if you can imagine a big tank here, we're going to collect the water that gathers up on this specifically designed roof that has a pitch that's going to feed our rainwater harvesting unit. So we have a pipe here that's eventually going to run and is going to feed our above ground tank. We have a network of pipes coming through here in this area. This particular 2-inch ABS pipe is what collects water off that specially designed roof. It's going to empty into a rain barrel right here. Once the rain barrel fills up, it's going to have an overflow on it that will displace water inside our sump pump vault here. So when this guy gets water in it, it's going to fill up our above ground rainwater harvesting unit over there. So once that's filled, the volunteers, they can hand water the plants with them. We can even plumb it to the irrigation system if need be. This is just one of the videos we're doing. We have a series of videos coming out here for the Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden, and they're really doing their best to do things a sustainable way to recycle rainwater and use even a bit of solar here as well. So just another tip, when you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.